Alex. Can you open the fridge?
Sure. Oh, it's almost empty.
Exactly. We have 1 tomato, half a bottle of milk, and sadness.
Okay. Supermarket time.
Wait, let's make a list first.
Good idea. A list helps us stay focused.
We need basics: rice, eggs, milk, bread, and vegetables.
And something for dinner. Maybe chicken?
Yes, and please, no random snacks today.
I will try my best. Wow, it's busy today.
Yes, look, so many aisles.
Aisle means the long path between shelves.
Good. Today we learn English while we shop. First, we need a cart.
Cart. Shopping cart. Got it.
And we start with vegetables because they are fresh. We need tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions.
How do we choose good tomatoes?
Touch gently. Good tomatoes feel firm, not too soft.
Firm, not soft. Okay, these cucumbers look fresh.
Fresh means new and good quality.
Fresh, firm, good words. Brr, it's cold here.
This is the dairy section. Dairy means food made from milk.
Milk, cheese, yogurt, dairy.
Exactly.
Which milk do we buy?
Let's buy a big carton. Carton is the paper box.
Big carton of milk. Great.
And eggs, 1 dozen.
Dozen means 12.
Ah, I love this smell.
Bread smells like comfort.
We need 1 loaf of bread.
Loaf means one whole bread. 1 loaf. Done. What about a small treat?
Alex?
Just one small pack.
Okay, 1 pack. But that's it. For dinner, chicken.
Fresh or frozen?
Fresh for today. Frozen means very cold, like ice. Good for later.
Fresh chicken for today. Frozen for later. Clear.
Let's ask politely.
Excuse me, can I have 2 chicken pieces, please?
Perfect.
Wait, we forgot rice.
Good catch. Rice is in aisle, maybe aisle 5.
If we don't know, we can ask.
Excuse me, where can I find rice?
Aisle 5, next to pasta. Great, thank you.
Where can I find is a very useful sentence.
Yes, I will use it again and again.
Okay, checkout time.
Checkout means the place where we pay.
Right.
Hello, did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Do you want a bag? Yes, please. 2 bags, please. Card or cash? Card, please. Done. Successful mission.
And we learned English while shopping.
Best kind of practice.
We bought everything on the list. Good job.
And we only bought one snack. I am proud of myself.
I'm proud too.
Today's words: cart, aisle, dairy, loaf, dozen, checkout.
Nice. See? Real life English is easy.
Yes, slow English, but strong English.